If you're trading stocks or options, this one decision could make or break your account. Should you use a cash account or a margin account? Most traders don't realize how this single choice affects everything, from how fast you can trade to how much you can lose. Let's break it down. Simple, fast, and beginner friendly. Let's start with the cash account, the safer, simpler one. Here, you can only trade using the money you've actually deposited. If you have $1,000 in your account, that's your total buying power. No borrowing, no interest, no hidden traps. But there's a catch. Once you make a trade and sell, you've got to wait 1 to 2 days for your funds to settle before you can reuse that cash. It's slower, yes, but it keeps you 100% debt-free. Cash accounts are perfect for beginners or anyone trading small accounts. Think of it as training mode, safe, controlled, and great for learning discipline. Now let's talk about margin accounts, where things get spicy. A margin account lets you borrow money from your broker to trade more than what you actually have. For example, if you deposit $1,000 and your broker offers 2 to 1 margin, you can control $2,000 worth of stocks. Sounds amazing, right? Twice the buying power. But remember, leverage is a double-edged sword. If your trade goes wrong, you can lose more than your original investment. And there's another risk, the margin call. That's when your broker calls you and says, hey, your losses are too high. Deposit more money or we'll sell your positions. Scary, and it happens more often than you'd think. So, which account should you choose? If you're new to trading or building your first few $1,000s, start with a cash account. It keeps your risk low and forces you to trade only what you can afford to lose. Once you've mastered risk management, consistent profits, and emotional control, then you can level up to a margin account for faster trading and more flexibility. But never forget, margin magnifies everything, both profits and losses. So, before you hit that upgrade to margin button, ask yourself, do I want more speed or more safety? There's no wrong answer. Just make sure your decision matches your skill level. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly trading videos, and comment below, cash or margin. Which one are you using right now? Let's see what the community says.